Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age. I have a question for you. When the weather gets warmer and you start to take off all the layers, do you kind of cringe just a little? I know I do. I notice that, oh my gosh, there's a little bit, well, there's a lot of that midlife spread here showing, but I have some tips for you. I actually have 8 of them to help you look slimmer and thinner in seconds. Now, this is in no way a body shaming video. Hey, I used to be a former professional model and I'm in no way a size 0 anymore. So I know how important it is for a lot of us to look slimmer, and even though we're exercising and trying to eat right. So in this video, I'm not going to talk to you about, wearing oversized clothes and don't hide behind the oversized clothes. I'm going to talk about a few other things, and let's start with our face and neck, tip 1 and 2. Now, many of us don't only have a challenge with weight on our face, we also have a challenge with gravity too as we age. Notice how my face looks almost swollen and those jowls, yuck. Now, all we have to do is a little contouring, and you'll see how it thins out my face. I use Park Avenue Princess by Tarte, and this will last me for about a year for $40. I just run along my cheekbones and up to the sides of my foreheads, and then with the leftover I go under my jowls. This is just a subtle blend, but it makes quite a difference. And did you know that our nose looks bigger as we age? So a little bit on the side and under the nose helps that too. But contouring isn't the only thing that makes my face look heavier. It's also the top. Both the black color and the neckline are a mistake. Let's take a look at the difference. The black color washes me out. We need a color that helps us glow. And the high neckline just emphasizes those jowls. Let's see the difference. Notice the contouring. First, how much thinner and even more youthful my face looks. Do you notice a nicer glow with the red top? And the way the V-neck takes away from my jowls and makes my face look a little bit longer and slimmer. A few tweaks can certainly make a difference. And by the way, if you're looking for daytime, nighttime, and even minimal makeup tutorials, I have them all nicely packaged in my masterclass, and that's at lovingourage.com/ageless transformation. And I also have my skincare routines, capsule wardrobes, and even a lot of tips on confidence building. All right, we took a look at our face. Now let's get into a little bit of styling. How about the belt placement? So here I have a lovely dress with an attached belt. And the go-to way of styling it is just tying a bow in the front. But that's bringing attention to my belly area. Better to pull the belt to the back and tie it there like this. Notice how much thinner I look now. Also, try to make the belt go just under your breastbone if it's, one of those loose belts. You could always also use a stretchy belt like this one in a set of 3. It's available for $18. And by the way, the dress is just $27. And as usual, I'll have most of the fashions and also that contouring powder underneath the video description and also in the comments. And don't forget to check out amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, especially the daily deals where we have savings on a lot of my favorites every single day, and that's fashions and makeup and skincare and even housewares. All right, let's take a look at tip number 5. It's all about your posture. Now, I don't know about you, but maybe it's because we're always kind of hunched over our phones all the time, but it seems to me that a lot of times my shoulders are all kind of rolled forward and then my belly kind of sticks out, you know, and even when I'm standing up, if I'm kind of rolled over like this, well, it's just not a good look. And my mother always said to me, Heather, shoulders back, head straight. And you know, that really helped me with modeling as well, because I did a lot of runway modeling, and of course posture was absolutely the key. The problem is that many women were never taught about good posture. So here's a comfy brace that can help you for about $22. You don't have to wear it out or under your clothes. Just kind of wear it around the house, maybe over a t-shirt, and it will train your shoulders to roll back and give you the memory to stand taller. And if you like videos like these, made by a woman who certainly isn't a size 0 anymore, I would love, love, love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell. All right, so let's look at a few more tips and let's still talk about styling. So here I have a dress that, quite frankly, if you have heavier thighs, it's just too short. The same goes with a skirt, a skirt, or maybe even shorts lengths. Also, the big bold print is adding to weight by making me look heavier and wider. And the high, almost platform running shoes with this outfit is another mistake, making my feet and even my legs look clunkier. Let's now look at a trend for this year, and it's the athletic look. This dress is just a little longer and the style has almost a tennis anyone undertone. Last time I checked, it was 60% off, so only about $32, and a fabulous look for the warmer weather. The Keds sneakers in leather for $65 are a better choice for footwear, and this outfit certainly does help me look slimmer. And as I said in the very beginning of this video, don't hide yourself in the warmer weather. And that goes for when you're invited to a pool party or to a lake. I just ordered the cutest, it's just adorable. It's a swimsuit and it has a little bit of a skirt and it kind of hides my thighs, and I just can't wait for a future video to show it to you. So between that and also the beachwear cover-ups, I'm an absolute yes when it comes to cottage invites and also pool parties. And as I've mentioned before, I just absolutely love it when you say that I'm kind of a personal stylist for you or a personal shopper. I actually spend hours and hours before I buy something online. I'm always reading all of the reviews, well, maybe not all of them, but most of the reviews, and looking at the pictures, how they look on other people before I ever order a thing. And you know what? If it comes in and it's not right, it goes back. But one of the reasons that I don't send an awful lot back is I'm always looking at the size chart. There's a size chart for every single item. So if you do see something that you want, make sure you measure yourself and look at that size chart. You don't want to buy something that's too tight, and again, you don't want to hide yourself behind something that's really, really oversized, and that's so important. You know, we live in a world now where our age group is actually trending. We see women of a certain age on magazine covers and also representing makeup brands and skincare brands, and it's really, really exciting, isn't it? You know, it's another reason why we shouldn't be out there ourselves dimming our light. We should actually be shining. And for me, it's just one more way to be loving our age.